Today I want to show you how we can install Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox. So what we need is the Ubuntu ISO file. So we write in our browser, internet browser, download Ubuntu for VirtualBox, and we go to the Ubuntu and we download the Ubuntu file. So we have 19.10 and 18.4. I think this is the good one, so we download this one. So let me show you the download file. So it is about 2 gigabytes and it takes time. And so sorry, 19.10, so I just cancel this one because I have downloaded the other one. So I wanted to show you how you can download this one. So yes, we open the Oracle and we make a new one. So we write here Ubuntu, and this is Linux. Ubuntu, this is automatically is chosen, so we make about maybe 4,000 megabytes of RAM, and we click on create. We need about 30 gigabytes and create. So it is done there. So we go on the settings, advanced description, we have nothing there, we don't need a floppy, so we processor we put on 2, display 128 megabytes, storage, audio, network. I need the bridge adapter. So I need a bridge adapter because I want to connect it personally to the other Windows, to the server and Windows 10. I need it for my stuff. And USB and USB 3. Click on OK. Click on Start. So here we choose the drive. We choose the image file. Ubuntu 19 image file, or I click on add. I select it from my Ubuntu files. Open, double click on it, it is selected, and start. So it will go on. So it is running. Install Ubuntu. Here we can choose the English language or any other language that you want. Here we just the keyboard layout. Here we can choose the other ones, minimal installation and install third-party software, but it takes times. Maybe it needs a bit more place on your hard disk, so I just go on the simple ones. So here we select the erase disk and install Ubuntu. We don't need the other ones. Click on continue. Here choose the area. Let's do Vienna. Here we write a name. So choose the password, a good password. Continue. In this part it takes a bit time because it is copying files and it is running, so I just stop it, and when it is done then I clear it once more. It is still running and it is still copying files. Now it is installing the system files. I think it takes time too. Now it is moving, configuring app, scanning CD-ROM, retrieving files, scanning the mirror. So it is going on. So yes, the installation is complete and it is a question we need to restart it right now. So here it's the username and the password. Sorry. So as you see, it is installed. I skip this stuff. No, I don't like to. Next and done. So this is the whole facade of the Ubuntu. Here is all the applications are there. And let's see if we can find something there, some software. Utilities. So terminal is there and you can do it further and further as much as you can. And let's see if we can open a website or not, if the internet is working. Right here, google.com. Look, it is working. So I think it is all done, but I think you need to do some updates in the terminal. You can do some updates and other stuff. So the updates and how you can find the IP address, how you can give it a special IP address, and how you can do other commands here, write other commands and do other stuff here, make a new user. We need to create another episode. Thank you for watching and have a good day.